Welcome to Al Jazari channel. To obtain more thickness reduction with better accuracy and surface roughness, hot-rolled steel sheets should undergo the cold rolling process. This video explores the fascinating world of steel manufacturing and gives you basic knowledge about the cold rolling process. Before starting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more industrial videos. Cold rolling is a metalworking process where steel sheets are passed through sets of rolls at high speeds. Under high loads, the sheet thickness is progressively reduced either in several passes in a reversing mill or in several successive stands in a tandem mill. This is done at a temperature below the steel's recrystallization point, typically from room temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. This process increases the strength and hardness of the steel, while providing a smooth and polished finish. The cold rolling process involves several key steps. The first step is pickling. Before cold rolling, the hot-rolled steel sheets are first pickled to remove any scale or oxide layer from the surface. This is done by immersing the sheets in an acid bath. The second step is cold reduction, where the pickled steel sheets are then passed through a series of rolling stands, each containing a pair of rolls. The sheets are compressed and elongated as they pass through these rolls, reducing their thickness and increasing their length. Then the annealing step. To restore ductility and reduce hardness, the rolled steel sheets are annealed. This involves heating the steel to a specific temperature, and then slowly cooling it down. The last step is skin pass, where the annealed sheets undergo light pass-through polished rolls to achieve the desired surface finish and mechanical properties. The sheets produced by cold rolling are thinner and flatter than is possible on hot rolling, down to a thickness of 0.15 millimeters. The forming properties and surface finish of cold rolled sheets are better. It can also be coated with zinc to protect it from corrosion, with tin for cans and with a plastic coating or paint for protection and decorative purposes. To sum it up, the cold rolling process plays a crucial role in the steel industry, enhancing the material properties and expanding its applications. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it interesting. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Stay tuned for more industrial insights, and we'll see you in the next video.